Today we'll be installing radiator guards. Hey guys, welcome back to the Bulletproof Garage. Today we're installing these American-made guards onto this Kawasaki. When we're finished with this bike, it'll be ready for battle.
Protect your Kawasaki KX250 or KX450 with rock-solid billet aluminum guards by Bulletproof Designs. Simple to install, no brackets or bracing involved. This product is compatible with oversized fuel tanks. These guards do not impede airflow and helps to protect the core of the radiators and keep coolant in your bike during a crash. They are lightweight, but superior strength makes the guards top of the list when you're outfitting and protecting your rides.
With these bulletproof guards, we're protecting our investment. This bike's now ready for the long haul, and anything we throw its way. Check out our website and social media channels to stay updated. Now we're ready for battle.